Hi, my name is Rakesh. I am from Bangalore. I completed my Bachelor of Engineering from APS College of Engineering and my specialization in electronics and communication, and I am passed out in the year 2022. And I was, as an electronics and communication student, I was interested in core domain. So I started to search online. Saw many people got placed in Qualcomm, LG and other companies. So I contact Emertxe team support and they respond me immediately, and I talk about course, and they called me and give me address of Emertxe. So I directly come to institute and made admit in December, and from December correctly exact 6 months I got placed here. So here the mentors and Emertxe team support is incredible, and I recently placed in Avin system, and the interview process is smooth. If you need to go for code company, please join Emertxe. Thank you.